Hello everyone, welcome to Inspire Educare. Today I'm going to discuss the remaining types of operator. So let's see what are logical operators. The logical operators are used primarily in the expression evaluation to make a decision. So whenever you have to make a decision that either this one is true or this one is true, means either A is true or either B is true, or either A is also not true, neither B is true. So whenever you may have to make a decision, then we use logical operators. Now Python supports the following logical operators: and, or, and not. Now let's see how these logical operators work. Now I'm assigning true as a value to variable x and value as false to variable y. Now I'm going to print x and y equal to again print x or y equal to x or y. Last it is not, so for not I will write not of x is equal to not x. So first we will run this program and then I will explain you what it tells. See, it is giving the output x and y equal to false, x or y equal to true, not of x is equal to false. So what does this mean? What are we doing in this example? In this example, just I have first declared two variables and I have initialized them with some values, boolean values, true and false. Now I am checking with the help of AND operator. If both the values are true, then only this AND operator will give our answer as true. Otherwise, it will give as false. In OR, what happens in OR operation? OR operation tells us if both the values are false, then only the result will be false. Otherwise, in all other cases, the value will be true. And the last one is NOT operator. What happens in NOT operator? It just gives the opposite. If we have written true, then the answer will be false, and if we have given false as our input, the answer will be true. Now let's see what are identity operators. Is and is not are identity operators in Python. So there are two operators, is and is not. They are used to check if two values or variables are located on the same part of the memory. So two variables that are equal does not imply that they are identical. So let's see the example. So on executing this program or on running this program, you are getting the output as true for the first print statement and again true for the second print statement. So now how it works. In statement number 2, I have assigned value 5 to variable x1. In third, I have assigned value hello to variable x2. In fourth, I have assigned again value 5 in variable y1. And in fifth, I have assigned value world in variable y2. In second statement, I am printing x1 is y1. It means it will check whether the value of x1 and y1 are equal or not. If the value of x1 will also be present in value of y1, then the output will be true. Since you can see over here, both x1 and y1 are same. Therefore, the value or the output is true. And in the second statement, I am checking x2 is not y2. Means if the value of x2 and our y2 are not equal, or the value of x2 is not present in value of y2, therefore in that case what will happen? The output will be true. And if present, then the output will be false. Now see over here, x2 is hello and y2 is world. So both are different and therefore the condition is getting satisfied and the output is true. But now if I will again write y2 as hello, same as x2, so this time the output of statement number 7 will be false. You can see as over here, you got the output of statement number 7 as false. In this way, the identity operators work. Now, the next one is the membership operators. In and not in, these both are the membership operators in Python. They are used to test whether a value or variable is found in a sequence. Sequence means a string, a list, tuple, set, and dictionary. And you should also note that in a dictionary, we can only test for the presence of key and not the value. Now this in operator returns true if both value is found in the sequence. And with the help of not in operator, it returns true only when the value is not found in the sequence. So let's see the example. Now in the example of membership operator, I have assigned the value hello world to a variable called x and I have created a dictionary with the name y in which the keys are 1 and 2 respectively with the values a and b. In the fourth statement I have printed h in x and in the fifth statement I have printed a not in y. So let's see what happens on running this program. The value of statement number 5 is false and the value of statement number 5 is true. So now what happens? What does this in keyword do? In keyword just checks that whether the character h is present in x or not. Since I have written over here capital H and in variable x I have small h, so the output is false. And in the fifth statement I am checking whether the character a is present in y or not. You can see a is present in y at the key location 1 and therefore the output is true as required. Now the last operator in Python is bitwise operators. The bitwise operators perform bit by bit operation on the values of two operands. So now there are binary operators as and, binary or, binary XOR, addition, left shift and right shift. So see what are the functions. When we talk about binary AND, so what this binary AND does, it just checks that if both bits at same place in two operands or not. If the both bits are same at the same place, then the output will be 1, otherwise the output will be 0. When we see about binary OR, what it does, it will check that both bits will be 0, then the resulting bit will be 0, else 1. So let's see what does this binary XOR do. It returns the value as 1 only when both the bits are different. Both the bits at same place are different, then only it will give 1. If they are same, then answer will be 0. When we talk about negation, it calculates the opposite of a value. If the value is 1, the output will be 0 or vice versa. When we talk about left shift operator, the left operand value is moved left by the number of bits present in the right operator. And when we do the right shift, it is just opposite of left shift. It means the left operand will be moved towards right by the number of bits present in the right operand. Thanks for watching.